we're gonna disconnect the machine. Once we disconnect it, this is optional for you. So here, this has to be up. So whenever the machine is on, we just disconnect it, right? Here, we're gonna be teaching you how to remove all the sugar or the juice or the extra things that your blade might have, so you can clean it up a little bit. With a cutter, you will just pass it right there. On the outside and in the inside, as you can see, right? As we can see, the mold has a space here in the middle and outside, right? We're gonna clean here on the inside so we can remove from the extra dirt and sugar or all the stuff that it might stick. From the outside also we're gonna remove by doing this, so your knife will be a little bit more sharpened than usually. You can do this every 2 weeks or every month, so you can remove all the dirt and the sugar that it might be stick to the knife, so your knife will have a better cutting.